Front-end web development is the practice of creating the visual and interactive aspects of a website or web application that users see and interact with directly. It involves translating the backend data into a graphical interface using various technologies and tools. Here's a detailed breakdown of all associated concepts, core technologies. 1. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Purpose, the backbone of any website. HTML structures the content. It defines elements like headings, paragraphs, links, images, and more. Basic concepts, tag, head, body, H1, IMG, etc. Attributes, additional information about element of URL. DOM, document object model, a programming interface for HTML that represents the page so programs can change the document structure, style, and content. 2. CSS, cascading style sheets. Purpose, styles the HTML content. CSS handles layout, colors, fonts, and overall appearance. Basic concepts, selectors, target HTML elements, e.g. body.class, ID. Properties and values, define styles, e.g. color red, font size 16px, box model, content, padding, border, and margin that define the layout of elements. Flexbox and grid, modern layout models for creating complex designs. 3. JavaScript, purpose, adds interactivity to websites. JavaScript can update and change both HTML and CSS as well as handle data. Basic concepts, variables, store data values. Functions, blocks of code designed to perform tasks. Events, actions that can be detected by JavaScript, e.g. clicks, form submissions. DOM manipulation, JavaScript can read and alter the DOM. Advanced concepts and tools. 1. Responsive design. Purpose, ensures that a website looks good on all devices, desktops, tablets, phones. Techniques. Media queries, CSS feature to apply styles based on screen size. Fluid layouts, use relative units like percentages instead of fixed units like pixels. Flexible images, make images scale with the size of the viewport. 2. Frameworks and libraries. Purpose, simplify and speed up development by providing reusable code and components. Popular choices, React, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces developed by Facebook. Vue, a progressive JavaScript framework for building UIs and single-page applications. Angular, a platform for building mobile and desktop web applications maintained by Google. Bootstrap, a CSS framework for creating responsive, mobile-first websites quickly. 3. Version control. Purpose, track changes to the code over time, collaborate with others. Tools, Git is the most popular version control system. Platforms, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. 4. Package managers. Purpose, manage project dependencies and libraries. Tools, NPM Node Package Manager, Yarn. 5. Task runners and module bundlers. Purpose, automate repetitive tasks like minification, compilation, linting, and bundling of files. Tools, task runners, Gulp, Grunt. Module bundlers, Webpack, Parcel. 6. Preprocessors, extend CSS and JavaScript with additional features and simplify code. Examples, CSS preprocessors, Sass, Less. JavaScript transpilers, Babel converts ES6 plus code to ES5 for compatibility. Development process 1, wireframing and prototyping. Purpose, plan the layout and functionality of the website before coding. Tools, Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD. 2. Design to code. Process, convert designs from wireframes or mockups into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 3. Testing. Purpose, ensure the website works correctly across different browsers and devices. Types, unit testing, testing individual components. Integration testing, testing how components work together. End-to-end E2E testing, testing the entire application flow. Tools, Jest, Mocha, Selenium, Cypress. 4. Deployment. Purpose, publish the website to a server so it is accessible on the web. Tools and platforms, Netlify, Vercel, GitHub Pages, AWS, Heroku, User Experience UX and User Interface UI. 1. UX design. Purpose, focus on the overall experience of the user, making sure the website is easy to use and intuitive. Principles, usability, accessibility, user-centered design, consistency. 2. UI design. Purpose, focus on the look and feel of the website. Principles, visual hierarchy, color theory, typography spacing, performance optimization. Purpose, ensure the website loads quickly and runs smoothly. 2. Techniques, minification, removing unnecessary characters from code without changing its functionality. Compression, reducing the size of files sent to the client. Caching, storing data so future requests for that data can be served faster. Lazy loading, loading images or other resources only when they are needed. Accessibility 1. Purpose, make websites usable by people with disabilities. Techniques: semantic HTML, using HTML5 elements that clearly describe their purpose. ARIA, accessible rich internet applications, attributes that make web content and web applications more accessible. Keyboard navigation, ensuring all interactive elements can be accessed via keyboard. Security. 1. Purpose, protect the website and its users from malicious attacks. 2. Common practices, HTTP communication over a computer network. Content Security Policy, CSP, prevents a wide range of attacks, including cross-site scripting, XSS. Input validation ensures that the data entered into a form is correct and safe. Sanitization, cleaning user inputs to prevent injection attacks. Front-end web development is a dynamic field that requires a mix of technical skills, creativity, and constant learning to keep up with the latest trends and technologies.